both coming off the back of big losses in midweek. Benevento visit Spezia at the Alberto Pico. Two of the promoted sides from Serie B last season battling it out for 3 valuable points and the chance to put daylight between themselves and the bottom 3. The ball launched forward towards Jazzy. Bastoni, Ricci, now Jazzy, well worked this, across the face of goal, it's bobbling around and it's gone out for a corner. There was a real chance there for Mbalo Nzola to end his goal drought. Leo Senna thinking about the ball in, it's a low ball, awkward for Kamil Glick. And Bastoni there with the shot, inches wide. Montipo probably had it covered. Gajic is played in here, the flag stayed down. Here is Adolfo Gajic, cuts back in on his left and drills the ball beyond Jeroen Zoet. Benevento lead. And it's the young man, Adolfo Gajic, who's off the mark in Serie A. This time the ball does go into the mixer, all the way through towards Bastoni. Now Ricci thought about crossing it over towards Estevez. It's Verde with the strike, and Montipo had to be very alert to keep that one out. No one expected that. Corner to Spezia. Ricci. Nice ball in from Ricci. Ismaili was there at the back post. Couldn't quite get his header right there, the Albanian. Here's Leo Senna. Same ball out towards Ferrer. And at the back post arriving was Jazzy, off the bar. Across the face of goal again. Good save by Montipo. Danger not over for Benevento. Spezia come again. And this is the header from Jazzy, inches away from pulling Spezia level. Improta, thinking about the shot, Improta. Well, he got hold of that one all right. Here goes Jazzy for Spezia. Farias has found some space. Farias into the middle. Maggiore still comes back out to Verde. Spezia back on terms. It wasn't the prettiest goal you'll see all season, but my, is it an important one. 20 minutes to go here at the Alberto Pico, and it is game on. Spezia 1, Benevento 1. Marquita with the corner. Towards Erlich, off the bar again. Second time in the match that Spezia have hit the woodwork. Brilliant contact there from Erlich. Inches away from giving Spezia the lead. And that will do it here. Both teams will be going home tonight with a point apiece. Both teams still lurking above the relegation zone. Neither of the two could grind out the win. It has finished here at the Stadio Alberto Pico. Spezia 1, Benevento 1.